नमस्कार दोस्तों, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए हमारा चैनल टेक्नोहैक्स और बेल आइकन को दबाइए लेटेस्ट टेक्निकल वीडियोस सबसे पहले देखने के लिए।
Hey, welcome to the video guys. In this video we will teach you how to create a virus using a Python script on TechnoHaxx. So TechnoHaxx is an application that we are going to use as a terminal emulator. If you have watched the previous video, then that would be very good for you, so you can understand everything. So I will give you a link in the description box. This link would let you to download this file, that is vbug.zip. So after downloading this file we have to move it to the termux. So for that we would type, so if you have already used this command then you don't have to use it again. It is termux setup storage. So there we go. So this command would set up the storage, and so termux can access your SD card. Now you can type cd/SD card to get inside your SD card. Type ls. So here we can see where's the download folder. Here it is. So I would, okay, let me copy that thing first of all. That download thing I have to copy, and I would type cd and downloads. We are inside the downloads folder. So as we know, the name is vbug.zip. I would again confirm it. It's here, vbug.zip. So I would type cp-f, then vbug.zip to move the, so this is the file name, this is copy, and this is the function, and destination would be like $home. So this is our root directory of termux. So as you can see, it is done. I would type cd and I will clear my terminal. So you can see after pressing ls there is a vbug.zip here, and as you can see I have already installed this thing. So let me remove it. For removing any file you have to type rm-rf and vbug. So this is only for me, not for you guys. So I'm just removing my vbug so I can install it again. So here is my vbug.zip. I would copy this and type unzip vbug.zip. Done. I think that's done. I have to type y, then I will type ls, and as you can see there is a folder named as vbug. So I will type cd vbug. Here we are. We will type ls and we would give a command for chmod +x vbug.py. So if you know that this command actually gives the permissions to vbug.py to be run. So this is green. So green means I have given the permission. And you have to type this again, chmod +x and star. So the whole file would be green and everything is given the permission. So most of the time you have to download the Python 2. If Python 1 is working, then I don't know about that, but I would use Python 2. If you have not installed Python 2 yet, then type pkg install Python 2. There we go. We can install it with this command. Then I would type Python 2 and vbug.py. Python script is, so I'm running the Python script. So use this at your own risk. This is the vbug maker. This thing will make a virus. So press enter. So generate virus for Android device. So let's skip to we can generate for Android device, but we are going to generate one for Windows this time. Enter. So here it is RIP, and so there are lots of virus. So we will just use the simple one, that is caps lock. So it will keep turning on the caps lock. CA, then downloading, it will download the virus. You have to keep your internet on, like I have done it right here. So it's already done. So I would type ls, and here it is the virus file, the cd virus, and we are inside that, and we can see it here, caps lock, then cd, okay, caps lock, and here it, okay, there's some problem. Okay, I got it. It's CD caps lock, not small l. So here is our caps lock.vbs. You have to run this command on your victim. So to read this thing, readme.txt, we will write cat, that is cat readme.txt. So you can actually type this command to read any kind of readme files like readme.md and readme.txt. So here we go. Here is the meaning of the virus. So this virus has been made by someone, I don't know his name actually, to caps lock alive, and you can see all the functions right here. So I would just type clear and I will say bye bye to you for now, because this was the video. Don't try this on your own PC. Do not attempt to try on yourself. Okay, do not ever try these viruses on your own self. So I want to do something here. So we have a Telegram group where we will be teaching hacking. So it's named as REDLIPS. So you can download this group by just typing this thing in here @TechnoHaxx. You just have to copy this thing, or I would provide the link in the description. So when you put this thing in your Chrome, it would be something like this, and here is the Google Drive file for vbug.zip, guys. You can press here to download it and just press it right here. Oh fuck, that's something weird. And okay, I will get this thing off. There we go, HTTPS. Let's make it as a link and let's go. So it would take us here, and you will have the rules here: no abuse, no spam, no group links here. View the group on your app, and you can just join the group. So this group has our friends and all the hacker family that we are creating. So we will be actually helping you guys with your hacking problems and everything that you are relating to us. So let's go, and first